Hi everyone, happy Tappin' Tuesday. This week our video is for my level 3 dancers. Okay, level 3 people, this is your breakdown of your section from Tuxedo Junction. So if you've been following along, the choreography has gradually increased in difficulty, and your section is the most difficult of all of it. If you have not been following along, I do recommend you go back and learn the Never Too Late, the level 1 and the level 2 section, because ideally you should be doing all 4 sections of this dance. So that's the way I envisioned it anyway. So we are going to start. The level 2 people ended with a series of time steps and a break. And their last sound happens on the 7. You are going to rest on the 8. And then you're going to do stomp, slide, heel. And that's going to be 1, 2, flap, cramp, roll. Okay. 1, 2, a 3 and a 4. Then you're going to do some little paddle and rolls. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. All right. So putting that together, you've got 1, 2, a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, slide, heel, falsetto, heel, heel, paddle roll and paddle roll and paddle roll and stamp. From here, you're going to do step, spank, step, crossing behind, shuffle, ball change, 5 count riff walk, back flap, ball change. Okay, so putting that together closer to the rhythm, you've got stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5 count riff, back flap, ball change. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5 count riff, back flap, ball change. Okay, so let's put that with that first little section. You have 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, slide, heel, falsetto, heel, heel, paddle roll. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5 count riff, back flap, ball change. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, slide, heel, falsetto, heel, heel, paddle roll. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5 count riff, back flap, ball change. From here, you're going to do shuffle, heel, step, heel, crossing that shuffle over, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Okay, so breaking that down, you have shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, heel, tip, heel. You're going to do the same thing on the left side. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Okay, left side again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. One more time on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Let's do the right side and then the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. One more time, right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Shuffle, heel, step, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step. Okay, let's put that with the first part. So from the stomp, slide, heel, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, slide, heel, falsetto, heel, heel, paddle roll. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change. 5, count, riff, back, flap, ball change. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. Heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step. So let's take it kind of nice and slow and easy. So you're going to go stomp, slide, heel, fall, lap, toe, heel, heel, paddle, roll, and paddle, roll, and paddle, roll, and stamp. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change. 5, count, riff, back, flap, ball change. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step, spank, heel, tip, heel. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and stomp, slide, heel, fall, left toe, heel, heel, paddle, roll, stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change. 5, count, riff, back, flap, ball change. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, step. Shuffle, heel, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step. All right, time for phrase 2. So phrase 2, you're going to start with this little combination that starts with slurps or closed thirds. One on each side, okay? So remember, the more relaxed everything is, the light, you want to also hit the floor really light, you're going to get a better sound. So you're going to do 2 slurps. Spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Okay, so it's going to be slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. From here, you are going to do a heel grind step with the right foot heel grinding and the left foot stepping. Let me turn around. So when you do this heel grind, it's like a Susie Q. You're putting the heel on the floor and kind of pointing that right toe off to the left side. And then as you're stepping, you're going to pivot that foot around. Okay? So you're going to have heel grind step, spank ball change, shuffle hop or heel drop step, ball change. Okay, so breaking that down again, from the heel grind step, you have heel grind step, spank ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball change. So this is kind of like a big crossing Irish, and you're really going to rock those ball changes. So again, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put that little slurp section in front of it. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. Okay, from here, we are going to repeat that whole thing on the left side. So you do your slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. So putting that together on the left, you have slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Then you do the heel grind step. Heel grind step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. Okay, let's do the heel grind part on the left side again. So you have heel grind step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. One more time, heel grind. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel grind step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. Okay, so let's get the whole left side put together. 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, slurp, spring, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spring, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. All right, right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slurp, slurp, spring, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spring, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change, and slurp, slurp, spring, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spring, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. All right, level 3 people, let's walk through your 2 phrases before we try it with music and also put on the big finish. So from the top of your section, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, slide, heel, fall left toe, heel, heel, power roll. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5, count lift. Shuffle, hop, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, shuffle, step. Slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change, and slurp. Slurp, spank, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, change. Okay, here is your big finish. After you do that last ball change, you are going to do 2 flap heels going forward, 2 going back. Then you're going to do some running shuffles. The first 2 are slow, then fast. Then you're going to do half of a Broadway and a slurp to finish. Okay, so the big finish again is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, and back. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle roll. Stamp, spank, step, shuffle, ball change, 5, count, lift. Shuffle, hop, step, heel, tip, heel, step, spank, heel, step, step, shuffle, hop, step, heel, tip, heel, step. Slurp, slurp, spank, step, heel, big brush, heel, stamp. Heel, grind, step, spank, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, ball, slurp, slurp. Flat. All right, let's walk through the whole thing before we put it together with the music, starting with our Never Too Late section, going all the way through to the tap 3 level and the big finish. So we start with 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, 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 heel, 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 toe, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Level 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and crank roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, and crank roll. Heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, touch. Heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, touch. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Stuff, heel, heel, toe. Spank, heel, shuffle, step. Full lap, shuffle, ball change. Full lap, shuffle, ball change. Touch, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Stomp, hop, step, full lap, step. Stomp, hop, full lap, step. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, step. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle. 2, 3, 4. Slurp, slurp, spin, step, heel, grind, step, spin, fall, change, shuffle, hop, step, change. Full lap, heel, our big finish, and step, shuffle, full lap, heel, heel, spin, heel, tip, heel, slurp. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, 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 heel, 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 toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Step. There we go. Step, 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 step,